If you're looking for the best football prediction apps in 2026, this video is for you because, honestly, many people enjoy predicting football. Matches, and some apps even offer prizes, competitions, and rewards for making accurate predictions. But not all prediction apps are worth your time, so here are my top 3 football prediction apps for 2026 starting. With number 3, 4Bet is one of the most popular football prediction platforms. It provides match predictions, statistics, team analysis, and probability-based forecasts for leagues all around the world. Now let's move to number 2. BetMinds offers detailed football statistics, predictions, and data-driven insights that many football fans use when analyzing matches. The platform covers hundreds of competitions and updates information regularly. And my number 1 pick, SofaScore. While SofaScore is best known for live scores, it also provides extensive match statistics, team form, player ratings, and data that can help users make more informed predictions. Its interface is excellent, and it covers virtually every major football competition. Now, an important reminder: no prediction app can guarantee winnings. Football is unpredictable, and every match can produce surprises. So, always use predictions as information and entertainment, not as guaranteed results. So to summarize, my top 3 football prediction apps in 2026 are number 3 Forbet, number 2 BetMinds, and number 1 SofaScore, because honestly, the best prediction app is usually the one that gives you the most useful information, not the one that promises guaranteed wins.